Welcome to this episode of YouTube where we're starting out with some social play. And I was just reading an article that was published entitled Social Play in Captive Wolves, Not Only an Immature Affair. One interesting thing to note here is that Axel rolls over in a submissive posture towards Grayson. And Grayson gives him a little bit of an ear cleaning, which is a precursor to our upcoming exams. We do intend to do the medical exams for the exhibit pack on Thursday the 14th. A couple of different reasons. We have our veterinarians are now open for business, and they're rotating every other week with 2 different teams. And this week's team has 3 vets on staff. But more importantly, we are expected to get temperatures in the 70s next week, and that is a little bit warm for the wolves. So we want to make sure we get it done this week during the cooler weather to avoid any overheating. We did get the pond open and the water line underground, and it was frozen for a bit, but is now starting to fill. So hopefully in the next couple of days, you'll see the pond completely filled and the UV filter system in, recycling water. And again, we always work with UV. We had a little bit of a visitor, and you might have noticed that we also have the explore.org cam up, and both of those cameras went live on Monday. And you're actually seeing the UV light from one of the explore.org cameras. But what I want you to listen to is the sound of a coyote who is calling back and forth with the wolves. The coyote has that kind of a yippy bark sound, and the wolves you'll recognize in their bark howls. So I'll let you listen to that. Went on for several minutes on, let's see, that would have been on the 12th, the evening of the 12th, sometime around 9 o'clock in the evening. So you can tell the difference between a wolf bark howl and a coyote. So, and then Grizzer is just hanging out, got his area, a little bit of snow left to go back there, but he's doing great, and we'd like to invite you again to a Friday webinar. So on May 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time, we'll do a live chat and feature Grizzer as well as the exhibit pack. So hope to see you then. Check out our website at wolf.org to find the Zoom link and password to be able to join us for that webinar.